Hey guys, it's Danielle and I am going to do another unboxing with you guys. Yay! I hope you guys have been enjoying these unboxings. I've been enjoying opening them up with you guys and sharing and just all that good stuff. But before we, well, it's already open, but before we unbox this bad boy, let me introduce myself. My name is Danielle and I am the non-traditional mommy. And on this channel, we do things like unboxings and talk about an array of different things. So if you think that's something you would be interested in, hit the subscribe button and join the family. For the rest of my non-traditional family, you know you're the MVP and I love you bunches. Now, let's unbox this lovely box. So, my birthday is in a few days, if it has not already passed, because I have taken forever to upload this video. But my birthday is on April 27th and I am going to be going on a cruise, an all-girls cruise with just my line sisters and no kids, no husbands, any of that. So I wanted to get myself some cute luggage to take on the trip, wanted to treat myself. The luggage that I have literally had since college. It is the luggage that my dad bought me as my parting gift for going away to college, and I have literally had that luggage forever. So I thought I'm gonna treat myself to some new luggage that I like, or whatever the case may be. And I wanted some Louis Vuitton luggage, not gonna lie, but you guys know that, you know, this girl is A, on a budget, and B, slightly cheap. So I was like, what else can I get? And then I thought I would love to have some vintage luggage. And I like the whole vintage look, the whole treasure box look, i.e. the way, you know, Louis Vuitton stuff looks. So I went on Amazon and I found some vintage luggage that is very similar in color and style and all of that. And I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So this is it. We're gonna open it up and see what this luggage looks like. I already cut the box open, so. Ew. It comes in this lovely dust bag. Ew, so cute. So I also wanted luggage that I could display when I'm not using it, that I didn't feel like I needed to pack away in the attic, that it could essentially be a piece of furniture and just add character to my room or my closet. And I think that this is going to do that. It's so cute. All right, y'all, so this is the outside. Let me see if I can get a better view. It has the brown leather straps and it's cream, and that's all the way around. This is the side handle. It comes with a little leather luggage tag, and this is actually the front of the suitcase. And then this is the back, and then the little handle. So if I lay it down, hopefully you guys got a good view. You see this is the front with the straps, and these actually buckle on. So there's like a little, can you guys see that? There's like a little buckle right here. So these buckle on so they don't actually undo here. They just have like little closures right there. And then here is the key lock, and there's 2 key locks on it. So let's open it up. And then to open it, just press these little, I think, yep. So you just kind of push here and it opens up. Ooh, y'all, that's so pretty on the inside. I love it. So it's like a grayish kind of blue interior, and then it has a nice little mesh zipper, and it comes with this little goodie bag, you know, for your little traveling bag. And I think, oh, and it also has the little hanger, you know, these little bags that you can hang up in your hotel room, your cosmetic bag. There's my key. So that's cool. I didn't even know that it was gonna come with, I already have one of these little cosmetic bags, but it's always good to have an extra one. It has that, and this has 2 zipper pockets on it as well. So that's a nice little goodie. And this is just an empty box, I guess, so this box wouldn't move around. All right, let's open this one up. This is my little smaller kind of carry-on piece, but honestly, I probably use both of these carry-ons, just depending on what kind of bag I carry with me. I love this luggage, y'all. So even when I do get my Louis Vuitton Keepall, which is on my wish list to get, this is what this little dust bag, so cute. So even when I get my Keepall, I feel like it will match this luggage set perfectly. All right, yeah, look at that. Y'all, that is so cute. Oh my God, it's so freaking cute. I am in love. Look at that. Just a little luggage carry-on. So cute. So cute. Let me take the plastic off. And so it's literally just a mini version of this big one. The same little closer straps here. It has a code lock on it, so not a key lock. So let's see if I can, oh, and then you just have, it has like a little, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, like a little button here, and you just push that and that clicks up. It's literally like a mini version of this big one. And it comes with a strap. So it has like this little mini strap. What does this mini strap go to, y'all? So it has like a little mini strap. I'm gonna have to figure that out. And then it has a longer shoulder strap. So I'm gonna put that on. Y'all, I love this luggage. I love it. I am very, very happy with my purchase. So y'all, there it is with the little shoulder strap, and I'll show you guys what this looks like on the body. I don't know what this could be for, so I'm not sure what this goes to, but I will figure that out, and when I do, I'll let you guys know what this little one is for. Or if you guys know, if you're like, oh, that's probably whatever, leave it in the comments below and let me know. But I'm not really sure what this little strap goes to. But let me show you guys what this little carry-on bag looks like on. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like as a little purse. So cute. I could see myself literally like carrying this as a purse when I'm not using it as a luggage, but just, you know, walking through the airport and having a little luggage. Or you can, of course, you know, just a little shoulder bag, or you can make it longer, so, you know, or I can just carry it crossbody, it can be hands-free. free like this. So that is super cool, and I can make the straps longer. I love it, y'all. I love it. So there it is. There's the whole little set. So cute. I am excited to carry this. All right, guys. So that is my unboxing of my lovely luggage. And I just wanted to show you guys and unbox it with you guys. I'm super excited to try this out. We're actually going to the beach, and so prior to my birthday trip, we're taking a little family getaway. So I'm gonna try it out then and just see what I think and how I like it. And if I figure out what that little strap is for, I will let you guys know. I'll do a full review over these on how they hold up with traveling and all that good stuff. But so far I love it. I think it's so cute and so me, so my style. So I'm excited. Anyway, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Again, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, join the family. For the rest of you guys, I love you guys. Thank you for sticking in there with me, and I will see you next time.